Welcome to the Deep Dive, the show that's all about cutting through the noise and getting you truly well informed fast. Today, we're diving deep into a challenge that, well, consistently weighs on the minds of industrial project managers, particularly those of you in EPCM contracting roles right here in the UK. We're talking about that universal need for reliable, high quality, and crucially cost-effective solutions for, large-scale, complex industrial installations and their ongoing maintenance. Finding the right partner for these ambitious projects, well, it can be a monumental task, especially when you're navigating global supply chains and looking for cross-border collaborations that deliver without compromise. And that's precisely our mission for this deep dive. We're going to pull back the curtain on SGM Société Générale de Montage, a premier Moroccan industrial services company. We'll explore in detail why they present such a compelling strategic choice for UK-based EPCM contractors. Our goal today is to truly unpack SGM's unique value proposition, delve into their impressive technical capabilities, and highlight the tangible benefits they offer, especially when it comes to deploying highly qualified technical workers and builders to your projects, which, let's be honest, we know is a significant pain point for many UK firms right now.
Exactly. And what's truly fascinating here is observing how an offshore company, specifically one based in Morocco like SGM, manages to synthesize deep local expertise with international best practices. This isn't merely about finding, say, an alternative supplier just to reduce costs. It's really about exploring a strategic partnership,
Right.
one that delivers significant measurable advantages in efficiency, cost control, and overall project performance. We're going to illustrate how this offers a genuinely compelling and, frankly, often overlooked alternative within the global supply chain for complex industrial projects, and perhaps most importantly, why this model is particularly relevant for you, the EPCM contractors, who are seeking both high-quality execution and, well, optimized financial models in an increasingly competitive global landscape. It really challenges those traditional notions of where high-value engineering and construction expertise resides, doesn't it?
Okay, let's unpack this then. Who exactly is SGM, and what makes them such a significant player in the industrial services landscape? From our deep dives into the sources, SGM is clearly positioned as Morocco's premier partner for comprehensive industrial services. That much is clear. Their core identity, what truly sets them apart, seems built on two foundational pillars: an unwavering commitment to technical excellence and an absolute dedication to client success. They aren't just a service provider in the traditional sense, are they? They ingeniously combine this deep local expertise, honed over years in demanding Moroccan industrial environments, with international best practices, bringing them right up to global standards. The result? They deliver truly turnkey solutions. This integrated approach is absolutely key for EPCM contractors like you, who need a partner that can not only fit seamlessly into complex project structures, but also take full ownership of entire project phases.
Indeed. And the sheer breadth and depth of SGM services are what truly allow them to operate as that end-to-end partner. Their offerings span from fundamental mechanical installation and ongoing industrial maintenance to highly specialized areas like piping and boiler work, robust steel structures, and intricate custom fabrication.
That's quite a range.
It is. But what's crucial to understand is that these aren't just, disparate services listed on a brochure. SGM delivers them as integrated, data-driven, turnkey solutions. Think of it as a holistic ecosystem designed to support your industrial operations. The ultimate goal, as they meticulously articulate it, is to keep your operations running at peak performance, to diligently control costs for you, the client, and ultimately to significantly boost your bottom line.
And not just for the project duration, right?
Exactly. For the entire operational life cycle of the assets. That's the key difference. Let's delve into those services a bit more because their comprehensive nature is genuinely impressive, especially for an EPCM contractor navigating these complex builds. So, in terms of industrial installation and maintenance, they cover the full EPCM spectrum. That's from initial engineering design, precise material procurement, right through to on-site construction and ongoing operational support.
The whole life cycle.
Pretty much. This includes highly detailed equipment assembly and installation, ensuring every component is put together with precision and care, minimizing future issues down the line. For the intricate, often high-pressure work that forms the arteries of any large industrial facility, they specialize in boiler making, piping, welding, and industrial installation.
Critical stuff.
Absolutely. And this isn't just about putting pipes together. It's about engineering safe, efficient, and compliant systems for diverse fluids and temperatures. Beyond new installations, their maintenance capabilities are equally robust. They cover both preventive maintenance, proactively identifying potential issues before they cause downtime, and corrective maintenance, swiftly addressing unforeseen breakdowns to restore operations.
So proactive and reactive.
Yes. They also handle specialized equipment overhauls, which is absolutely critical for unique, high-value, or long-life machinery, ensuring these assets continue to perform optimally years after initial installation. Their advanced diagnostic capabilities mean they excel at diagnosing and repairing complex issues swiftly and accurately, minimizing the impact of any operational glitches.
Okay.
Furthermore, and this is a direct financial benefit for you, they actively work on operational OPEX optimization. OPEX, or operational expenditures, can quickly erode profits if not carefully managed, as you know. SGM's focus here means they're constantly looking for efficiencies in your day-to-day running costs, contributing directly to your profitability. And beyond the hands-on work, they provide invaluable training and technical consultancy, helping to upskill your own teams or advising on best practices and cutting-edge solutions.
That's a valuable add-on.
It is. And finally, their deep commitment to HSE and compliance support is evident in every project. They ensure all work adheres to the highest safety and environmental standards, which is, well, non-negotiable for EPCM contractors concerned with reputation and regulatory adherence. This comprehensive suite really underlines their capacity as an end-to-end responsible partner.
That truly is a comprehensive suite of services, laying out the foundation. But beyond just what they do, it's also about how they promise to deliver it, isn't it? And that brings us to something SGM calls their SGM promise. Now, this isn't just marketing speak. It's a commitment with clear, measurable advantages that directly address critical concerns for any EPCM contractor. Think about this. They don't just talk about efficiency. They promise predictive maintenance and modular installation expertise specifically designed to maximize your uptime. Imagine the impact of compressing project delivery by a remarkable 25% that's potentially months shaved off a large-scale project, getting your assets productive faster.
That's significant.
Hugely significant. And, perhaps most impressively in any heavy industry environment, consistently ensuring zero incidents on site. For UK EPCM contractors, these aren't just minor improvements or aspirational goals. They directly and profoundly impact project timelines, your budget adherence, and critically, your reputation in the industry. And beyond those headline figures, our sources highlight additional advantages that, well, they resonate deeply with operational and financial planners in any EPCM firm. They offer stability of OPEX expenses, meaning no more nasty surprises or unpredictable spikes in your operating budget. For long-term projects, that predictability is gold dust.
Absolutely. Budget certainty is key.
Exactly. They also provide secure coverage against activity peaks. You know those times when a project hits a critical phase or an unexpected surge in work demands immediate, skilled manpower?
Yes, the crunch points.
Precisely. SGM steps in, ensuring you're never caught short. And finally, they ensure complete traceability of all interventions. This isn't just good record keeping, it's invaluable for quality control, for auditing, for regulatory compliance, and for driving continuous improvement across all your projects.
Yeah.
This level of transparency and predictability is incredibly reassuring for managing large-scale, complex industrial projects, reducing both financial and operational risks significantly.
And if we connect this to the bigger picture, their operational reach further underscores their robust capabilities. SGM possesses significant deployment capacity across key industrial hubs within Morocco. We're talking about strategic locations like Casablanca, Jorf Lasfar, Safi, El Jadida, and Kenitra.
So good coverage across Morocco.
Exactly. This extensive geographical spread within Morocco means they can achieve rapid mobilization and responsiveness across the country's diverse industrial landscape. But what's perhaps even more telling than their locations is the diversity of demanding sectors they consistently serve. We're not just looking at one or two industries here. No, we're talking about automotive, cement, chemicals, energy, water treatment, mining, food and beverage, and ports and logistics.
That's a very broad range.
It is. This isn't simply a list. It demonstrates their deep versatility and extensive experience across a wide array of highly specific and challenging industrial environments. For UK EPCM contractors, this signals that SGM isn't confined to a narrow niche. They understand the unique regulatory, operational, and technical challenges of very different industrial applications. That makes them a truly adaptable and resilient partner for a diverse project portfolio, no matter the specific industry you're tackling in the UK or elsewhere.
Okay, here's where it gets truly pivotal, I think, especially for EPCM contractors in the UK who are constantly on the lookout for highly skilled labor and specialized capabilities. We know that sourcing this talent domestically can be both incredibly difficult and, frankly, prohibitively expensive sometimes, leading to project delays and budget overruns.
A major headache.
Exactly. So let's dig into how SGM directly addresses this critical need. We'll look at the depth of their technical expertise and, crucially, the profiles of the qualified technical workers and builders they consistently deploy to projects. This is a direct answer, potentially, to the talent acquisition challenges many of you face.
Right. SGM's mechanical maintenance capabilities are not just robust, they form a sophisticated cornerstone of their offering. They ensure the longevity and optimal performance of critical industrial assets. They possess deep expertise in intricate tasks such as steel structures, welding, and custom fabrication. That's fundamental for the skeletal framework and specialized components of any industrial build.
The basics, but done expertly.
Precisely. They are adept at precise machine assembly disassembly, handling complex machinery with the care and accuracy required to maintain original design specs. Critical to preventing premature wear and tear and ensuring smooth, efficient operation is their skill in shaft and coupling alignment. We're talking achieving tolerances of less than 0.05 millimeters here.
Wow, that's tight.
It is, and it significantly extends equipment lifespan. They perform comprehensive overhaul of pumps, motors, gearboxes, and fans, breathing new life into vital operational components rather than pushing for costly replacement. Their teams conduct thorough transmission components inspection, covering everything from bearings and housings to belts, identifying issues before they escalate into major failures.
Preventive focus again.
Yes. And they meticulously manage functional clearance adjustment, ensuring components fit precisely and move as they should, without excess friction or play, along with rigorous dimensional checks, all of which are crucial for optimal machine performance, adherence to stringent engineering specifications, and ultimately extending the life of your expensive equipment. This level of detail in mechanical maintenance is vital for maintaining uptime and maximizing the return on your industrial investments.
Okay, transitioning from mechanical, let's talk about their expertise in piping and boiler work.
Yeah.
These systems, as you said, are the veins and arteries of any industrial installation. They carry everything from steam and compressed air to sometimes highly corrosive chemicals.
Absolutely critical infrastructure.
Right, and SGM brings a significant depth of knowledge here. They handle detailed pipe section repairs or replacements, ensuring the integrity and safety of critical fluid transfer systems. Their work extends to complex steam, compressed air, and industrial fluid network work, which is essential for most industrial processes, demanding precision and strict adherence to safety protocols.
You can't cut corners there.
Definitely not. They're proficient in the custom fabrication and installation of ducts, manifolds, elbows, and flanges. These are the custom components that make up these complex, often high-pressure networks, and they're built to exacting specifications. And critically, once installed, they perform rigorous leak testing, hydraulic and pneumatic tests, guaranteeing the safety, efficiency, and full compliance of all installed systems before handover.
Verification is key.
Absolutely. This expertise means they can deliver highly reliable, compliant, and durable piping and boiler solutions, minimizing risks and ensuring operational readiness for your projects.
And beyond the general mechanical and piping work, SGM also offers highly specialized equipment maintenance services, often on some of the most critical and complex components of an industrial facility. This includes comprehensive work on large-scale storage solutions like silos and hoppers, vital for bulk material handling, and intricate material transport systems such as belt and chain conveyors, which are frequently the backbone of production lines in various industries.
Things that just have to work.
Exactly. They have extensive experience with pumping stations, ensuring the efficient and reliable transfer of liquids, and critical pressure equipment, meticulously ensuring compliance with stringent international standards like CODAP and ASME.
Those standards are non-negotiable.
Absolutely not. They're crucial for safety and regulatory approval. Furthermore, they are highly skilled in the maintenance of various flow control devices, including a wide range of valves, dampers, and both pneumatic and hydraulic systems, all of which are vital for precise process control, energy efficiency, and operational safety. This specialized focus ensures that even the most unique, high-pressure, or critical components of an industrial facility are expertly cared for, extending their lifespan and preventing costly downtime.
Now, let's focus on the human element, because for you, our UK EPCM contractor listener, this is often where the rubber meets the road, finding the right people.
The skills gap is real.
It absolutely is. SGM isn't just a company with impressive capabilities. It's a deep bench of highly skilled professionals. Our sources provide these sample profiles that truly showcase the caliber of the qualified technical workers and builders they deploy. This directly addresses your need for skilled hands on deck, potentially mitigating your recruitment burden and ensuring the highest project quality and adherence to schedules. Let's delve into some of these specific, invaluable roles. First, consider their mechanical team leaders. These individuals bring over 10 years of robust experience. They specialize in heavy structural work, meticulous site supervision, precise coordination between various trades, and detailed daily reporting.
Real leadership on the ground.
Exactly. What this means for your project is experienced, reliable leadership, capable of managing complex teams, proactively resolving issues, and ensuring smooth, efficient operations. Vital for navigating the intricacies of any large-scale EPCM build. Imagine having someone who has seen it all and knows how to keep a large team aligned and productive. Then there are the industrial mechanics. They come with a broad range of 5 to 15 years of hands-on experience in maintenance, assembly, and repair.
Good range of experience there.
Yes, this range ensures SGM can deploy both seasoned veterans who bring a wealth of troubleshooting experience and energetic, highly competent mechanics capable of tackling diverse mechanical challenges with precision and speed. Their practical, on-the-ground experience is truly invaluable in minimizing downtime and ensuring equipment reliability. Next, SGM fields mechatronic engineers with 5 to 10 years of experience. This is such a critical modern skill set, isn't it? Integrating mechanical engineering with electronics and sensor integration.
Absolutely essential for modern industry.
Right. These engineers are adept at advanced diagnostics, intricate troubleshooting, and essential system upgrades for automated industrial processes. Their ability to seamlessly work across mechanical, electrical, and control systems is absolutely essential for integrating Industry 4.0 technologies and maintaining modern automated facilities. They are, in effect, the bridge between the physical and digital worlds of industrial operations. SGM also deploys highly certified welders, proficient across multiple critical techniques, including TIG, MIG, and MMA.
The core welding standards.
Exactly. Their expertise spans welding for both piping and heavy steel structures, ensuring high quality, fully compliant, and exceptionally durable connections. For structural integrity and secure fluid containment in high-pressure or corrosive environments, having welders certified to international standards is foundational. It minimizes risks and guarantees long-term reliability. We also see confirmed industrial pipe fitters in their teams, skilled in complex piping layout, precise isometric reading, and meticulous installation.
Reading the blueprints accurately.
Precisely. This means they can accurately translate complex engineering drawings into precise, functional piping systems, minimizing errors, reducing rework, and ensuring optimal flow and pressure integrity. Their ability to read and interpret detailed schematics is a cornerstone of efficient industrial construction. And finally, let's not forget the technical assistants. They provide crucial support roles. They ensure strict HSE adherence on site, manage industrial cleaning, coordinate transportation logistics, handle detailed reporting and documentation, and meticulously track issues and tools.
The unsung heroes sometimes.
Very true. These roles ensure overall efficiency, organization, and compliance across the worksite, allowing the core technical teams to focus on their highly specialized tasks without distraction. They contribute significantly to project flow and safety.
And what's truly impressive, I think, is how these individual profiles don't just exist in isolation. They coalesce into a truly multidisciplinary, highly integrated team. SGM boasts a strong internal engineering and fabrication team, including dedicated engineers in both mechanics and piping, alongside sophisticated CAD/CAM specialists who leverage advanced digital design and manufacturing tools.
So design and build capability in-house.
Yes. This is complemented by highly skilled boilermakers and, as you just detailed, certified welders. Crucially, they also employ dedicated non-destructive testing NDT technicians.
NDT in-house, That's significant.
It is. It means they have the capability to ensure the integrity and quality of their work without causing any damage to the material or structure right there on site or in their workshops. This internal capability for NDT is a significant quality assurance differentiator, giving clients direct verification of high standards. Furthermore, they don't just have the exceptional personnel, they back them up with cutting-edge tools and methodologies that really signify a high level of technical rigor. This includes the use of finite element analysis, FEA, for rigorous design validation. This allows them to simulate and predict how structures and components will perform under various conditions, ensuring maximum integrity and performance before anything is even built.
Virtual testing, essentially.
Exactly. They utilize CNC precision machining for highly accurate and repeatable fabrication, ensuring components fit perfectly the first time, minimizing those costly on-site adjustments. For critical alignment tasks in mechanical installations, they employ laser alignment systems to achieve extremely tight tolerances, often down to plus or minus 2 millimeters. That's almost microscopic precision.
Incredible accuracy.
It really is. And it significantly reduces vibration, extends equipment lifespan, and prevents costly premature wear. And as a testament to their unwavering commitment to safety and quality, all their welding procedures are strictly ASME compliant.
ASME is the gold standard, isn't it?
Pretty much. The American Society of Mechanical Engineers standards are essentially the global benchmark for pressure vessels and piping. This means you're getting welds that are not just strong, but certifiably safe, reliable, and compliant with the most respected international benchmarks. This combination of highly skilled personnel, advanced tools, and rigorous, internationally recognized processes signifies a very high level of technical sophistication and an unwavering commitment to quality. It offers substantial reassurance to any UK EPCM contractor.
Okay, so we've talked about the skills, the tech, the processes, but what does all this technical prowess and skilled labor mean for a UK EPCM contractor in practical terms on a real project? It really means looking at proven success, doesn't it? Not just promises or capabilities on paper. It means examining real-world results.
Absolutely. Proof is in the pudding.
Exactly. So let's delve into a concrete large-scale example. The OFAS, or OCP Fertilizer Expansion Project. This project serves as an incredibly powerful case study for SGM's capabilities. It directly demonstrates how they deliver on their commitments in a real-world, high-stakes industrial environment. This isn't just a testimonial, it's quantifiable proof.
Right. And to set the context for the OFAS project, it was a truly monumental undertaking. It formed a critical part of OCP's broader Wave 2 investment plan. OCP, for those unfamiliar, is a global leader in the phosphate industry, headquartered right there in Morocco.
A major player.
Huge. The core objective of this massive expansion at Jorf Lasfar was to significantly increase national phosphate processing capacity, the strategic aim, to firmly position Morocco as the world's leading phosphate exporter. Specifically, the project involved adding 3 brand-new state-of-the-art fertilizer production lines, meticulously optimized for DAP, MAP, and NPK output.
So a major capacity increase.
Massive. This wasn't a minor upgrade or a simple refurbishment. It was a major greenfield capacity boost to a globally significant, strategically vital industry. The scale alone speaks volumes. And if we connect this to the bigger picture, the strategic significance of the OFAS project is immense, far beyond just production numbers. It directly supported Morocco's national fertilizer sovereignty strategy, aiming to secure and enhance the country's position in global agriculture and food security.
National importance, then.
Absolutely. Furthermore, it was a key component of OCP's ambitious $13 billion green investment roadmap, signaling a strong move towards more sustainable and environmentally responsible industrial practices. Ultimately, this project profoundly strengthened Jorf Lasfar's already prominent position as the largest integrated fertilizer hub globally. For SGM, their integral involvement in such a strategically vital, large-scale, and environmentally conscious project demonstrates not only their technical capability, but also their ability to seamlessly execute complex, multidiscipline packages within a high-stakes, safety-critical industrial environment.
The kind of environment EPCM contractors know well.
Precisely. This isn't just about delivering on a contract, it's about operating effectively and reliably within projects of national and international strategic importance. That's highly relevant for UK EPCM firms.
And SGM's role as a key subcontractor on this monumental project was absolutely critical, underscoring their capacity and reliability. They weren't just a minor player providing ad hoc services. Their responsibilities were foundational to the entire expansion. They took on the comprehensive design, prefabrication, and installation of structural steel. This included essential elements like robust platforms, extensive pipe racks, and intricate cable trays, essentially, the very bones and nervous system of the new industrial facility.
Core infrastructure work.
Exactly. They also expertly managed the industrial piping spools, a highly specialized and complex area, notably handling lines for high-pressure and corrosive media, a significant testament to their expertise in challenging and hazardous conditions, handling the tough stuff.
Right.
Furthermore, SGM was responsible for the precise mechanical assembly of critical equipment, things like high-capacity pumps, continuous conveyors, and large-scale mixing reactors, which are the very heart of the production process and demand utmost precision. Beyond the core installation, SGM also provided essential high-precision support services. This included precise laser alignment of rotating equipment to prevent wear, on-site machining for custom fitments, and detailed vibration analysis to ensure optimal, smooth operation of installed machinery.
The fine-tuning.
Absolutely. And crucially, they managed comprehensive safety and quality supervision across their scope of work, operating in close, integrated coordination with JSA, the project's main EPCM, and OCP's own stringent QA/QC teams. So working collaboratively within the main project structure.
Exactly. This level of integrated responsibility, coupled with adherence to the highest safety and quality standards on a project of this scale, speaks volumes about their reliability, their collaborative approach, and their deep capabilities. They were not just a vendor, they were a true embedded partner.
And what's truly compelling for a UK EPCM contractor, considering SGM, is not just their involvement in a project of this magnitude, but the quantifiable, measurable results they consistently delivered within this high-stakes, safety-critical industrial environment. These aren't just qualitative statements or general assurances. They are hard numbers that directly translate into significant operational and financial benefits for the client, OTP in this case.
Let's hear them.
Okay. First, they achieved an impressive uptime boost of plus 2%. Now, 2% might sound small.
But on that scale, exactly. For a continuous operation of this scale, that directly resulted in a staggering $1.2 million per year saved in tie-in time. Think about the financial impact of that for your project's bottom line. It's a direct return on investment from enhanced operational efficiency.
Huge saving.
Second, they managed to reduce the overall install time cycle by 25%.
A quarter faster.
Yes. This is a massive acceleration. It means projects get completed faster, leading to earlier revenue generation, reduced overall project costs due to shorter site durations, and a quicker return on capital. Third, and critically, in this demanding environment, SGM delivered 0 lost time injuries.
LTI. We mentioned that promise earlier. Here's the proof.
Precisely. This isn't just a number. It demonstrates an unwavering commitment to a robust safety culture and incredibly effective HSE protocols. It reflects a workforce that is well-trained, disciplined, operating under stringent safety guidelines paramount for any reputable EPCM firm. Fourth, through their data-driven optimization strategies, they achieved an OPEX reduction of 15%.
Lower running costs.
Exactly. A direct, measurable saving on operational expenditures, substantially improving the client's ongoing profitability and ensuring the long-term economic viability of the asset. And finally, their work directly contributed to a remarkable plus 30% production capacity increase at the Jorflasfar site.
A massive boost in output.
Absolutely. Demonstrating their direct and profound impact on the client's core business objectives and strategic market positioning. These metrics clearly showcase SGM's ability to drive both significant operational efficiency and substantial financial value, not just during construction, but for the life of the asset.
That's undeniably powerful validation of their capabilities. But why is this specific project, the OFIS expansion, so incredibly relevant for UK EPCM contractors like you, our listeners?
Well, it's simple, really. It clearly demonstrates SGM's proven ability to execute incredibly complex, multidiscipline packages within demanding safety-critical environments. They didn't just meet expectations, they delivered significant financial and operational benefits that directly impact the project's ROI and long-term viability.
Real-world results. Exactly. This case study isn't just a footnote in their portfolio. It powerfully validates their promise of maximizing uptime, compressing delivery timelines, and ensuring an unparalleled safety record, two absolutely crucial factors for the success of any large industrial build you might undertake. It shows unequivocally that SGM can perform at a global standard under real pressure, delivering results that resonate directly with your project goals right here in the UK. Okay, moving beyond that single, albeit very impressive project, let's explore the systemic advantages SGM offers. The things that truly make them, as they put it, an unequaled advantage for UK EPCM projects. We're talking about their incredible responsiveness, their scalability, which, let's be honest, is often a bottleneck for large, ambitious projects, and their deep integration of Industry 4.0 technologies.
This is where they really differentiate themselves.
I agree. This is where the innovation really shines and differentiates them from many other partners you might consider.
Well, their capacity and mobilization speed are absolutely key for EPCM contractors who are facing those tight project deadlines or, sudden shifts in project scope.
Yeah.
SGM boasts the remarkable ability to mobilize multidisciplinary teams in less than 72 hours across their various Moroccan bases: Casablanca, Jorflis Far, Safi, El Jadida, Kenitra.
72 hours, that's fast.
Very fast. This rapid responsiveness means they can quickly staff up projects, bring in specialized teams, or address urgent needs without significant, costly delays. Furthermore, their in-house fabrication capacity is truly substantial. They can produce an impressive 20,000 tons per year of metal structures and 15 kilometers per year of piping in their ISO-certified workshops.
That's serious volume.
It is. This isn't just theoretical capacity, it's a massive, tangible capability that allows them to handle large volumes of prefabrication, ensuring consistent quality and accelerating on-site assembly. To further optimize project timelines and drastically reduce your on-site storage costs, they emphasize just-in-time JIT delivery. Yeah. This means materials and fabricated components arrive precisely when and where they are needed, minimizing laydown areas, reducing logistical complexities, and accelerating overall project timelines. This combination of speed, scale, and highly efficient logistical execution is a critical advantage for managing complex industrial projects anywhere in the world.
Now let's talk about SGM's embrace of Industry 4.0. This is truly where their innovation shines and genuinely sets them apart from many traditional industrial service providers. They're not just talking about digital transformation, they are deeply integrating these advanced technologies into their core operations and, more importantly, into the offerings they provide directly to you, the client. First, consider their sophisticated data-driven predictive maintenance. They don't just rely on scheduled checks or reactive repairs.
Moving beyond the old ways.
It's exactly. Instead, they utilize NB-IoT networks of sensors, that's Narrowband Internet of Things. Essentially tiny, highly efficient, low-power wireless sensors, perfect for embedding in remote or hard-to-reach equipment. And this sensor data is then combined with powerful AI for remote diagnosis. Imagine this scenario. Instead of a catastrophic pump failure shutting down your entire production line unexpectedly.
Which is a nightmare scenario.
Total nightmare. Instead, you get an alert that a specific bearing is showing early signs of wear. This allows you to schedule maintenance during planned downtime, avoiding costly unplanned stoppages by up to 40% and actually prolonging the mean time between failures, or MTBF, by a significant 25%. That's huge for operational reliability.
Absolutely. For you, the EPCM contractor, this means significantly more reliable operations post-commissioning and a vastly improved handover to your client. Then they integrate digital twins. This isn't science fiction anymore, is it? It's a living, breathing virtual replica of your physical assets.
A powerful tool.
Yeah.
Very. SGM leverages these digital twins for real-time simulations and powerful what-if scenario testing. Imagine being able to test process optimizations, predict equipment behavior, or analyze potential bottlenecks virtually, all without ever interrupting actual production. This capability leads to an improvement in overall equipment effectiveness, OEE, by 10–15%. But it's not just for optimization. No, these digital twins also serve as an incredibly effective risk-free tool for personnel training, allowing your teams to practice complex procedures on virtual replicas, refining skills before ever touching real equipment. They also deploy augmented reality, AR, and remote maintenance. This means technicians on site, whether they're in a remote location or a bustling industrial complex, can wear AR glasses or use tablets for live, interactive technical assistance.
Expert eyes, remotely.
Exactly. They can superimpose diagrams, detail schematics, and real-time diagnostics directly onto the physical equipment they're working on. This accelerates diagnostics significantly, drastically reduces human errors, and speeds up technician skill development on site. It's like having an expert standing right next to your technician, guiding them step by step, no matter where they are in the world. This level of remote support means faster issue resolution and continuous knowledge transfer. And finally, they leverage blockchain for traceability. This is truly cutting edge in industrial services, wouldn't you say?
Definitely ahead of the curve.
Right. They use blockchain technology to immutably record every intervention, every audit, every test result, and every quality control check. This creates an unchangeable, verifiable ledger of all activities. Why is this important for you? Well, it ensures total transparency, provides robust and undeniable evidence for compliance with regulatory bodies, and builds profound client trust, knowing every step of the project's lifecycle is verifiable and accounted for. This is transparency taken to the highest possible level.
And what's absolutely crucial here is to synthesize the direct, tangible benefits of these Industry 4.0 adoptions for you, the EPCM client. It's not about the tech itself, but what it does for your project and your long-term operations.
The so what factor.
Precisely. The most immediate and impactful benefit is a drastic reduction of unexpected stops. The integrated adoption of predictive maintenance, digital twins, and AR can reduce unplanned breakdowns by an impressive 50% to 70%.
50 to 70%.
Yes. This directly ensures the continuity of your operations and significantly limits the financial losses that stem from costly downtime. Then, there's the monumental boost in operational performance and efficiency. These advanced technologies optimize processes, streamline workflows, and enhance resource utilization, leading to proven productivity gains of up to 15%.
Making assets work smarter.
Exactly. Your industrial assets work harder, smarter, and with less waste, maximizing output from the same inputs. They also enable faster decision-making and continuous improvement. Real-time data feeds from sensors, and the robust insights from digital simulations mean you get immediate data-driven decisions and can make proactive adjustments. No more waiting for retrospective reports. Insights are actionable in the moment.
Agile response.
Very agile. Finally, these innovations contribute significantly to durability and conformity. By continuously optimizing energy consumption, reducing material waste, and extending equipment lifespan through intelligent maintenance, SGM helps you align perfectly with corporate social responsibility, RSE, and increasingly stringent regulatory demands. This not only improves your environmental footprint, but also enhances your green positioning in the market, which is becoming increasingly vital.
And it's one thing to merely have the technology, but quite another to implement it effectively and guarantee its impact, isn't it?
Implementation is everything.
Right. SGM positions itself as the ideal partner to actually implement these innovations, not just theoretically, but on your specific projects. They back this up with a truly multidisciplinary team, capable of handling everything from hardware installation to software integration and data analytics. They hold robust international certifications like ASME and ISO, demonstrating adherence to global quality standards. They possess deep, proven field expertise gained over years of complex industrial projects. And they employ an integrated EPCM plus digital approach, ensuring technology serves the project goals. Crucially, they even guarantee a measurable return on investment, ROI, from these deployments.
Putting their money where their mouth is.
Exactly. They put their commitment on the line. So it's a complete package. The right people, the right tools, the right processes, and a commitment to measurable financial results. Okay, one of the biggest concerns for any EPCM contractor, especially in contemplating a partnership with international entities, understandably revolves around risk, safety, quality, financial exposure.
It's always top of mind.
Absolutely. It's a natural apprehension, and properly addressing it is paramount. So let's explore in detail how SGM confronts these critical concerns head-on, providing significant peace of mind and building trust from the outset.
Well, SGM's commitment to health, safety, and environment, HSE, and quality, is not merely a box to tick. It seems to be a fundamental, ingrained core pillar of their entire operation. They don't just pay lip service to safety, they have meticulously cultivated a pervasive safety culture across their entire organization. And this has demonstrably ensured zero lost time injuries, LTI, on their major projects, including that massive OFS expansion we discussed.
The zero LTI record keeps coming up. It's clearly important.
Critically important. It's an incredibly challenging metric in any industrial environment, especially those involving heavy machinery, complex processes, and large workforces. It demonstrates a profound dedication to worker well-being, strict adherence to safety protocols, and an uncompromising commitment to project integrity. Furthermore, their processes are meticulously aligned with leading international standards like ISO 9001 for quality management, ISO 14001 for environmental management, and OHSS 18001 for occupational health and safety.
The key ISO standards.
Yes. This means their systems meet rigorous global benchmarks, providing a standardized framework for excellence. This commitment is further reinforced by their use of real-time digital HSE reporting.
Digital reporting.
Yes, which ensures total compliance and provides immediate granular visibility into safety performance, allowing for proactive intervention before minor issues escalate. This level of transparency and proactivity in safety is a huge differentiator.
Now, let's talk about something truly unique that offers significant peace of mind and directly addresses your risk concerns. The SGM El Guarantee. This isn't a standard minimal warranty. It's a multifaceted, comprehensive commitment that provides robust coverage across key areas of concern for EPCM contractors. It provides a level of assurance rarely seen, frankly. First, there's the Technical Conformity Guarantee. This offers a robust 12-month guarantee on all deliverables, whether it's the structural steel, the piping networks, the mechanical assembly, or the welding work.
12 months on deliverables.
Yes. If any non-conformity arises based on the agreed-upon plans, specifications, or international standards like ASME or CODAP, SGM commits to free correction within a rapid 72 hours of notification. 72-hour correction commitment, that's strong. Very strong. It means quick, no-cost resolution for any technical issues, minimizing disruption to your project schedule. Next, and this is a powerful incentive, is the Performance Guarantee. This is a 24-month guarantee specifically on installed equipment and the efficacy of their predictive maintenance systems.
2 years on performance?
Correct. They commit to ensuring equipment availability of greater than or equal to 98% and a breakdown reduction of over 30% compared to the pre-intervention period.
Specific targets.
Very specific. And here's the kicker. If these targets aren't met, SGM commits to providing 10 additional hours of corrective intervention without any charge.
So they have real skin in the game.
Absolutely. That's a powerful incentive for them to deliver on performance, knowing they're accountable if they don't. And finally, the critically important HSE and risks guarantee. This is valid throughout the construction phase of the project and for an additional 6 months post-delivery. Their promise here, again, is zero lost time injuries. Consistent messaging on safety. Very. If, despite all precautions, an incident with stoppages does occur, they provide free QHSE coordinator support to manage the situation and assist with investigations. They also commit to regular risk register updates every 4 weeks, ensuring proactive identification and mitigation of potential hazards. Proactive risk management built in, yes. Furthermore, they offer free HSE quality audits in case of any major incident requiring 3 or more days of stoppage, providing full transparency and support. The client benefits from these multi-layered guarantees are undeniably clear and compelling for any EPCM contractor. You gain total serenity with quick, no-cost recourse should issues arise. Allows you to focus on overall project management rather than micromanaging details.
Frees up your team.
Exactly. There's complete transparency through monthly KPI publication, so you always have a clear, real-time understanding of where things stand. They foster genuine continuous improvement as every incident or nonconformity leads to a return on experience REX integration into future action plans, continually refining their processes. And ultimately, it cultivates a durable partnership based on mutual trust, shared accountability, and a demonstrated commitment to reliability and compliance that extends far beyond project completion.
And beyond these explicit guarantees, SGM employs remarkably transparent and robust operational and financial management systems. This level of granular oversight provides EPCM contractors with really unparalleled visibility and control over project progress and costs.
How so?
Well, their collaborative digital management is a prime example. They provide clients with a dedicated portal for real-time tracking of critical project data, Gantt charts, purchase orders, HSEQ KPIs, detailed cost breakdown.
A dashboard, essentially.
Pretty much. This means you have instant visibility into project status, allowing you to make accelerated decisions with potential deviations detected in under 2 hours. That level of responsiveness is truly industry-leading. They engage in highly proactive risk management, jointly developing and weekly updating comprehensive risk registers with clear action plans. This collaborative approach anticipates potential blockages and can reduce critical project delays by up to 30%, keeping your project on track and within budget.
Preventing delays proactively.
Exactly. For supply chain and subcontractor performance, they don't leave things to chance. They implement a rigorous supplier qualification and ongoing monitoring process via shared scorecards, targeting an impressive 95% on-time delivery and less than 1% non-compliant deliveries from their partners, managing their own suppliers effectively. Precisely. This ensures that the entire supply chain functions smoothly and reliably, preventing material delays or quality issues from impacting your project. They rigorously embrace lean EPCM SGM principles, actively animating lean construction sites with methodologies like 5S and Kaizen. This systematic approach optimizes flows and improves productivity by 15% on assembly and commissioning phases, directly translating to efficiency gains and cost savings for your project.
Lean principles in action.
Yes, and their reliance on key performance indicators, KPIs, is extensive and deeply integrated. They track detailed metrics across every facet: maintenance, MTTR, MTBF, execution, planning budget adherence, quality nonconformities, HSE, accident frequency gravity, and finance, budget variance, margin, payment terms. This granular data ensures performance is continually monitored, managed, and optimized, offering EPCM contractors unparalleled visibility and control over their subcontractors' performance.
Finally, let's address a truly crucial aspect for EPCM contractors: financial flexibility and predictability. SGM understands that different projects have different budgetary needs, and they've meticulously designed a range of flexible subscription models to accommodate this. This provides you, the UK EPCM contractor, with significant control over your budget and operations, avoiding those unexpected financial burdens. For EPCM project subscriptions, they offer tiered models: Essential, Performance, and Premium, Clé en Main, Turnkey. These aren't just labels, they represent escalating levels of comprehensive service.
Tailored options.
Right. They detail precisely included services like engineering, fabrication, assembly, welding, NDT, HSE support, and JIT coordination. The benefits are substantial. You get a constant, predictable monthly budget for the project duration, ensuring financial stability. You receive priority planning, critical for complex timelines, along with real-time digital reporting. And crucially, these models are designed to deliver that reduction in assembly times by up to 30%. Which means faster project completion and quicker revenue generation. This level of predictability allows you to manage project costs effectively and allocate resources with confidence. For industrial maintenance subscriptions, they have 3 distinct models tailored to different operational needs. The à la demande model offers hourly progressive pricing for variable needs, maximum budgetary flexibility for unpredictable requirements.
Pay-as-you-go style.
Sort of. Then there's Heures Bloqué, which gives you a block of monthly hours with a valuable 20% rollover for planned preventive maintenance. This ensures OpEx stability and provides secure coverage against those activity peaks we discussed. Good for planned work, yes. And then, for your most critical sites or operations, there's the comprehensive total care model. This operates on a fixed monthly price, designed for 0 budget overruns.
All-inclusive.
Pretty much. It includes unlimited reactive maintenance, up to 300 hours a month, quarterly predictive audits, full NB-IoT integration, a dedicated account management team, and even covers common spare parts. This model offers complete peace of mind, acting as a single point of responsibility for your most vital assets. The key takeaway for you, our listener, from these flexible commercial models is clear. They come with measurable service level agreement, SLA commitments, guaranteeing performance. They provide total HSE and quality coverage, mitigating your risk. And they offer modulable costs, precisely tailored to your project size and specific performance objectives. This flexibility, coupled with their transparency and robust guarantees, gives UK EPCM contractors significant control and peace of mind over both their budget and the operational execution of their critical industrial projects. #outro. So what does this all mean when we bring it all together? We've taken a truly deep dive into SGM, a premier Moroccan industrial services partner. And what's abundantly clear is their robust, comprehensive offering specifically for UK EPCM contractors. From their profound technical expertise and highly qualified, readily deployable workforce, which, as we've said, is a direct answer to the talent acquisition needs and rising costs many of you face in the UK, to their impressive quantifiable track record demonstrated so powerfully by that OFAS project.
A really strong case study.
Absolutely. And at their proactive commitment to Industry 4.0 innovation, right through to their flexible, transparent operational and financial models. SGM presents a compelling strategic case. They don't just offer services, they offer a partnership rooted in tangible benefits, like drastically reduced unplanned stops, enhanced productivity, guaranteed performance, and streamlined project execution, all while directly addressing the critical needs for skilled labor, build quality, and cost efficiency that are paramount in today's demanding industrial landscape.
And if we connect this to the bigger picture, this entire discussion raises, I think, an important question for you to consider. In a world where global supply chains are increasingly complex, often prone to disruption, and the demand for specialized, efficient, and reliable industrial services is soaring, how do agile companies like SGM, operating from regions like Morocco, fundamentally reshape the landscape for EPCM contractors globally?
Interesting question.
Is the true benefit perhaps not just incremental cost optimization, but actually a strategic long-term advantage? An advantage derived from integrated digital solutions, an unwavering commitment to safety, and a depth of highly skilled labor that collectively fosters unprecedented reliability and operational performance. Consider the long-term implications of leveraging such advanced, agile partners for your next major project. Think about how such a strategic collaboration could redefine your project's success metrics and significantly enhance your competitive edge in the market.
A powerful thought to mull over indeed. We hope this deep dive has given you a comprehensive understanding of why SGM could be the strategic choice you've been looking for.